I'm making this particular video so that you will calm down, because on a daily basis I keep getting messages on how can I access my JAMB portal. I want to upload my result. I want to check my result. I lost my SIM, so I've not been able to see my result. I want to go to the JAMB portal and see my result. So I have gotten on a daily basis this kind of message keep coming to me, keep coming to the me on WhatsApp, or in the comments of the videos, in the inboxes, and I want you to calm down. Please tell your neighbor to calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down. Just chill, because JAMB portal is not yet fully active. JAMB has not activated the JAMB portal. Like I told you earlier, JAMB always activates the portal after the whole exam. And you know that at this moment, JAMB is still working on what they call mop-up exam. After the first JAMB, the main JAMB exam, there was a receipt of JAMB exam. And after the receipt, JAMB is now doing another exam to give more people the opportunity to actually write the exam. For those of you that missed your exam, if you missed either the first one or the second one, no matter where you are, whether you are in the north, whether you are in the north central, whether you are in the south, southeast, northeast, any part of Nigeria that you are, that you miss any of your exam, both whether it is the first exam or the receipt exam, you are qualified to take the mop-up exam. And how do you know if you are qualified? You just have to go and keep checking your profile to know if they rescheduled you for another JAMB. If you want to rewrite, please feel free to also tell me in the comment section so I can begin to guide you. But the main essence of this video is to tell you that JAMB portal is not yet fully active. The JAMB portal, the online portal, is not yet fully active. O-level result upload has not started. Of course, you know, part of your admission process is that you have to upload either your WAEC or NECO, NAPTEP or GCE result, your O-level result. JAMB, we need it. Change of course and institution is currently unavailable. At this moment, you cannot do change of course, you cannot do change of institution, you can also not upload your result. JAMB slip printing, that is the original result, are yet to be uploaded. So these things are not available on the JAMB portal right now. So please, everybody, just calm down, calm down, calm down, stay calm. I will be the first person in our channel, Noble Tutorials. Once you subscribe, if you have not subscribed, go ahead, subscribe right now, because once you subscribe, you'll be able to see all the information. As JAMB is dropping the information, I will be posting it for you here. And if you need my guidance on how to resit your exam, just come under the comment section. Tell me your location, tell me what you scored, tell me the issues you're having. If you want to resit, also let me know, so that if it is possible, I will quickly give you the guidance. Go ahead, if you want to become a full registered member of this YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials, just click on join so you can join our YouTube channel. Again, go ahead right now and like this video, click on like this video, then share this video, click on share this video, share it here on YouTube, share, copy the link, share on WhatsApp, share to your friends, your well-wishers, share to everybody. Then finally, there's this video on the screen on how you can rewrite your JAMB, the final opportunity that JAMB gave you. Just click on it and watch it now. Remember to subscribe and join to become a full member of our channel.